Well, good day, folks. How the hell you doing today? Johnny Nocash here, and I just wanted to show you this absolute fucking gorgeous weather. It seems like I need to document it every single time that it's nice, because it's few and far between. But I'm gonna take advantage. I went into town, I got myself a cheap fucking steak. I'm gonna chop some wood here, and I'm gonna get a fire going. I'm gonna have some beers. But in this episode, show you some beautiful landscapes and have dinner with you. So, let's get into it. So what I like to do is I like to, as you can see around me, never-ending fucking supply of wood. It has been raining quite a bit around here and snowing. Hopefully it's not too wet. Here's a little tip for you. Always introduce yourself to the locals. When I came up here, I actually bumped into a guy who was chopping wood, and we just started chatting, and he said, do you want me to leave you some? And I said, hell yeah, brother. I'll even give you a beer. But he was like, no, I'm cool. And he gave me a cookie. I'm serious, I'll show you. Now, I don't know what the fuck is in this thing, but it looks good. So, thanks to you, local woodsman. Cheers. He left me a pile down here right by the creek where I've been collecting water. And I actually did look for a new spot to camp. Why? I don't know, because this spot's great. I've got a creek here, tons of wood, great clearing. It's tough to beat. But check out this fucking wood that he left me. So, you know, just being kind to people, it goes a long way. Like I said, now I've got all this wood that he chopped for me. I don't really have to do much. I really just need some kindling, and then this stuff will go. It actually looks really dry. So I'm gonna haul this shit back and get a fire started so I can have some good old cheap steak and cheap beer. Yeah. Living in your van, I mean, it's small. So being able to get outside, get some exercise, be a bit creative, it's really important. It's always good to make sure that your fire pit is safe. Now, of course, it's been pissing rain for months. I'm not really worried about it, but even still, it's always good just to make sure you've got a decent, safe fire pit built. So you just grab some fucking rocks from wherever. There's a good one. Now's the fun part of drinking beer and chopping wood. Yeah. Never tasted better. There's no weed in it. That's a damn good cookie. Good fucking cookie. God damn. So you need yourself a fucking hatchet. You also need yourself an axe to split the shit. You just want to start stripping down pieces of wood into small strips. Otherwise it won't burn. And it has been raining a lot, so everything's a little damp. But that's okay, because wood will still fucking burn. So you want shit pretty small. You don't want it too big. For right now, you just really need really small stuff, like almost like twigs. And that'll help at least get the fucking fire going. But you know, this shit takes time. It's nice to be outside, getting some fucking sun, some nice fresh air while hacking darts. I always like to save some of my cardboard and paper, because if the thing doesn't fucking go, it's always good to have a backup. So you also want to build a teepee with the kindling. All right, let's light this fucker up. Oh yeah. So now that you got her fucking going, you just feed the fire and drink beers. I'm gonna say about another 30 minutes or so before I can actually put the food on. And I'm only having steak today. No fucking veggies, nothing like that. Might have a pear. to balance it out because I got a bag of fucking pears. Who buys a bag of pears? And I'm still questioning that decision. Right now, I have got a small little area that I can cook the steak on, and it is gonna be tasty. As you probably know, this is the only spice that you need. Montreal steak spice. Sponsor me. So I'm going to start heating up the old grill here, getting that toasty fucking warm. So it is time to throw this fucking steak on. Personally, I like a rare steak, so it's not going to take that long. And let's fucking get into this shit. We're to flip these fuckers. Ooh. Listen to the sizzle. For a cheap ass steak, that tastes like it's about 15 bucks. Double what I paid for it. All right, it is the moment of truth. Here we go. Boom. That is exactly how I like it. $7. This would be 30 at a fucking restaurant. So I just want to say, thanks a lot for watching. God damn. But anyway, thanks so much, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of this sun while I can, and as many beers as I can before I go inside. So cheers, y'all. A staggered motherfucking crawl. I'm out. Well, here's a new fucking update. Little twist in the story. Locked my fucking keys in the van. Every door is locked. Good thing I got a fire, but I'm warm. I've got my darts and I got my fucking beers. So, I mean, it could be a lot fucking worse. I thought the video was going to end when it ended, but, well, you know, there's always something. Always something. Trying to wrap my head around this. She's chilly. Thank God I got this fucking fire going. And I'm full of food. So, you know, you always got to look at the positive side of things, even whenever it's a pile of human shit. But things are good. Things are good. I'll make it out. That had nothing to do with the purpose of this video, but it just goes to show you that there's always fucking something.